wire feed speed, and I will only change the duty cycle during the welds. That means I start with a fillet weld, then an up weld, and then an overhead one. So, okay, let's get it on. On this fillet weld, I start with an average wire feed speed of 7 meters, a delta feeder of 2 meters, a frequency of 1.7 Hertz, and the duty cycle is 50%. So this up weld will be done with 30% duty cycle, and I will decrease the frequency from 1.7 Hertz to 1.2 Hertz. So now this overhead seam will be done with 7 meters wire feed speed also, and a duty cycle of 20% and a frequency of 1.2 Hertz. So let's go on with PMC on stainless steel. PMC has two major regulations working in the background. That means we have an arc length stabilizer and a penetration stabilizer. Arc length stabilizer is when I usually would change my position from a fillet weld to overlap seam to a corner weld. Usually you would have to change the arc length, but not anymore. The machine, when you regulates itself, when you adjust it once, that means I adjust my arc length one time and it keeps the same all over the place, from fillet weld to a corner weld, whatever. I will do it right now with a wire feed speed of 17 meters per minute on the TPS 320i compact. It's just to show how stable the arc is and high travel speed. I will have an average welding speed by hand with between 1 meter 20 and 1 meter 30. Here I will do an up weld, and I will only move from left to right and let the wire move into the edges. It's called the penetration stabilizer and helps the welder to do a little work for him. Especially a big benefit in out of position, underneath the pipe, overhead. But I will do it with 5 meters vertical up, penetration stabilizer in 8.5 and the arc length stabilizer in 0.3.